Is conciseness a benefit of Lambda expressions in Kotlin? Ever felt bogged down by bulky code that seems to fight you every step of the way? Discover the sleek power of Kotlin's Lambda expressions in our latest video, where we'll transform your coding experience from frustratingly verbose to elegantly concise. Say goodbye to clustered code and hello to a world of coding efficiency. Lambda expressions allow you to write more compact code by eliminating the need for explicit function declarations. This leads to cleaner and more readable code, especially when dealing with small and self-contained functions. For example, compare this regular function, fund, double, and then in brackets x of type integer, and then the function being of type integer, in curly braces, which is the body of the function, return x times 2. To this simple lambda doing the same work. Val double equals, and then in curly braces, x of type int, arrow x times 2. That being said, are you tired of those pesky runtime null pointer exceptions crashing your apps? Let us now take a look at another feature of Kotlin, null safety. With Kotlin's built-in null safety, you can say goodbye to worrying about NPEs. Instead, leverage the power of strict compile time checks to catch issues early while writing cleaner, safer code. Learn how Kotlin makes handling nulls simple and intuitive in this quick video.